So today we will be gonna generate JSON data using Postman app and Open Weather API. First, we're gonna be open our Postman or postman.com. Now, in API, there are three parts: the endpoint, parameters, and authentication. Now, today we're going to be using the Open Weather App API as our API provider. So first, log into your account or create your account in Open Weather Map, and if you have an account already, you can create an API directly. So, for example, weather generate. So the API is now generated. So in Open Weather documentation, to call an API, you should copy this statement to the Postman. So paste. You can enter directly here, but you also allowed to enter the parameters here. So key Q value is Tokyo. And the key the app ID and the API key or the authentication key. Now let's generate if there will be a JSON file that will be created. So this is a JSON file that we're gonna be used in our web app, websites, and other applications. So that's it. We created our JSON data in the Open Weather API. Thank you.